After so long, it is now confirmed what we are going to get in the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, and one feature among them will be amaze you if you guys use camera a lot or you shoot videos from your Galaxy device. But one camera lens will get a downgrade from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Starting off, Samsung is going to expand the camera supply for the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And with that, we get some of the exclusive news regarding the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Noting the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera will be from Samsung itself, but Samsung added another company called Sunny Optics for the 12MP ultra wide lens and 10MP telephoto shooter with the 10x folded zoom. And if you are here for 200MP camera, then good news is waiting for you. Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera can go down to 50MP and 12.5MP as you all know. But what interesting is the Galaxy S23 Ultra will now capable of recording 8K video with that 50MP pixel binning. Yes, but it is unclear how many frames we get with the Snapdragon Gen 2, most likely we get the 30 frames. But if you want to shoot at night times, the Galaxy S23 Ultra 200MP camera will go down to 12.5MP for better low light shots, and it's a lot better than Galaxy S22 Ultra. And one surprising and a bit disappointing news is here for the selfie shooter of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Yes, as per information, Galaxy S23 Ultra might come with either 10MP or 12MP shooter, whereas this year S22 Ultra came with 40MP camera. Because as the suppliers of these sensors out, they claim to have a 12MP selfie shooter, a big downgrade from this year S22 Ultra. But if we get that 12MP selfie shooter, then the physical pixel will be larger than S22 Ultra. And a good news for portrait lovers, since Galaxy S23 Ultra will not capable of recording 2.8K or 4K portrait video just like the cinematic mode on iPhone 14 Pro Max. Talking about the iPhone, Apple should be worried about the upcoming Snapdragon Gen 2 because it is way powerful than Snapdragon Gen 1 and now competing with the A16 Bionic chipset. As per reports, Snapdragon Gen 2 will be 11% faster than A16 Bionic chipset in GPU performance mainly. A new era for the Android smartphone is here as Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra could be the first phone to have Snapdragon Gen 2. And for those who are looking for exynos 2300, Samsung is working on exynos 2300, but we might not see exynos 2300 in the Galaxy S23 lineup, but maybe in upcoming Galaxy S23 Fan Edition later next year. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to launch next year in Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb along with the Tab S9 and more. And if you want to see the real 200MP camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should check this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.